Hello friends. Okay, the task today is putting a wood stove in this building. We have no electricity still. 4 months in, we only have electricity to our camper, no electricity anywhere else. So heating has been a major issue for us, and we have to have a reliable heat source. So we are going to put a wood stove in to this building. Let's get to work. So the first thing we're going to start with are the pavers. We're going to kind of make like a mantle, not a mantle, like a platform, I guess you could say. Technically we don't need it because the floor is concrete, but we just thought it would make it look better. So we've got 6 pavers that we're going to stack to just make like a little wood stove platform. So that's where we're going to start. We actually ended up adding 3 more pavers, so a total of 9. Okay, so we have the concrete boards put up, we have the platform done, and now it's time to cut a hole, which we're very nervous about, but I have a lot of faith in Jared. I don't know if he can do it, so he's just feeling a little nervous about cutting a hole in the side of the building.
It's not that, it's supposed to snow tomorrow.
It is supposed to snow, and we're missing one piece. But we gotta get started or we're never gonna get it done. So, okay, here we go. Okay, so at this point in time, we started running into some problems. As I said, we were missing one of the pieces. We still hadn't gotten it as of right now, so we shoved a tarp in the hole just to temporarily hold it off until we could work on it again. And then we had to work on the chimney, and honestly, I didn't get any video of that because it was such a daunting process and it took forever. So I honestly just did not have time to film because it was really stressful. Well, it only took 2.5 days and the job is finally complete. It was a lot bigger task than we anticipated. I mean, we knew it wasn't going to be easy, but dang, hit a lot of snags. So I'm anxious to see how this does and to have a good, reliable source when you don't have electricity. We got it going. We're going to test it out. See how cold it is. It's like 15 degrees right now. So very excited and very thankful for awesome friends who contributed the stove, brought it all the way up here, brought us the kit to get the chimney part going. Proud of Jared for spending 2.5-3 days putting this thing together. It was no easy task, but we got it. I'm so thankful.